Bonjour à tous. Good morning or good day, everyone. Bonjour tout le monde is also good morning or good day, everyone. Today, let us see question and answers of lesson 4. So, lesson 4 is about breakfast and food culture of Indians as well as French people. So, the first dialogue is about discussing an Indian family discussing about the Indian food, and the second dialogue is about the French food discussed by the French family in Paris. So, first, let us move on to the first question. D'habitude, qu'est-ce que Kumar mange le matin? Habitually. D'habitude means habitually. Habitually, what does Kumar eat in the morning? Mata means morning. So, for this question and answer, I have given the meanings here, translation here, this side. You can refer to this. D'habitude, Kumar mange des idli le matin. Habitually, Kumar eats, mange means eats. Manger verb, manger, GER verb conjugation. Kumar eats some idlis in the morning. So, same I have given here. Habitually, what does Kumar eat in the morning? Habitually, Kumar eats some idlis in the morning. Okay. So, now let us move on to the second one. Qu'est-ce qu'il veut manger ce matin? So, what does he want to eat that morning? What he was asking to his mom, he wants to eat veut. Veut is vouloir verb conjugation. Please refer vouloir verb conjugation in page number 100 of your book PDF. Okay, he wants to eat. Manger means to eat. De dosa ou de puri. He wants to eat some dosas or some puris. It is not and here, it is or. Ou means or. Okay, ou de puri and or some puris. Then, qu'est-ce que vous prenez pour le petit déjeuner? What do you have for your breakfast? Okay, what do you have for your breakfast? Take. Prenez means take. Instead of have, you can even write take. Take. What do you write? What do you take for the breakfast? Le petit déjeuner means the breakfast. The breakfast. Okay, what do you take for the breakfast? Je mange. What do we take usually? It's like a question they are asking us. Okay, what do we take here? We normally have idli or dosa for breakfast, is it? So the same you are going to write here. Je mange des idli ou des dosa pour le petit déjeuner. Okay, I eat some idlis or some dosas for the breakfast. And some will drink potage. Potage means kanji. Okay, porridge. Porridge for if you are specific in writing porridge, you can write like this: de potage. In French, it is potage, de potage. Okay, in English, it is porridge. In Tamil, we say it as kanji. So you can write even like that. Qu'est-ce qu'en français prendre pour le petit déjeuner? The next question is, what does a French people take for the, what does the French people take for the breakfast? So that is what we are going to see here. French people take du pain. Du pain means some bread. Some bread. Then avec. Avec means with. Avec means with. Du beurre. Beurre means butter. Beurre means butter. Fromage means cheese. Fromage means cheese. De la confiture means jam. De la marmalade. Marmalade is a kind of jam like one only. You can put marmalade and you can look into the images. You can go to Google, put marmalade. The same like jam only it is. So it is even marmalade, same as like how we have written here. Hmm? Even in English it is marmalade only. Fine. Hope it is very clear for you. Okay, now let us move on to the last question. Keskan Cafe Andia. What is an Indian coffee? What is an Indian coffee? It is an cafe. Setan cafe. It is a coffee. Avec. Avec means with. Avec means with. Dulei. Dulei means milk. Some milk. Lei. Lei means milk. Sucre. Du sucre means some sugar. Sucre means sugar. Okay. So qu'est-ce qu'un café indien? C'est un café avec du lait et des sucre. What is an Indian coffee? It is a coffee with some milk and some sugar. Hope it is clear. So I want you to write this in your classwork as like how I have written. One side fully French and the meaning for that should be written other side, right side. And for the exam you need not write this meanings like I have written here. This is not required. This is only for your better understanding. They will not ask you this kind of translation for question and answer. They will ask only for those dialogues. They will give the dialogue and they will ask you to translate and write it in English, not for question answers. For question and answers they will expect you to write only the answer in French like this. That's it. So for your better understanding, please write both the sides in your classwork. But for the exam, please don't write like that. Okay, so for the exam, you just straight away write the answer in French. That is enough. Hope it is clear for you all. You are very thorough with this lesson. Very, very important lesson. Please go through this lesson. In this lesson you have this article partitive du sucre, de la marmelade, de la confiture. So all those are article partitive. Okay, so please be thorough with that article partitive. Definitely you can expect this kind of article partitive questions even for your grammar. And one more, you will get an paragraph writing like what is your food habit, what is the Indian food habit. So for that you have to describe. For the breakfast Indians will take this and this. For the lunch Indians will take, and for the snacks time they will take this, and for the dinner they will take. So like this they will expect paragraph writing in French from this lesson. So you better please be thorough with this particle les article partitive grammar and this French food dishes as well as Indian food dishes. Okay, so definitely you can expect a paragraph writing from this lesson. Okay, so merci. Merci means thank you. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Au revoir. Au revoir. Goodbye. A bientôt. See you soon. Adama. Adama. See you tomorrow. But it is not possible. Then bonne nuit. Bonne nuit means good night. Bonsoir. Good evening. Okay. Salut. Hi. Okay. So merci.